Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and enjoying my YouTube beauty videos. If you are new to my channel, I am Vaishali. In today's video, I am going to show you this party hairstyle which is easy to do. You can do this hairstyle within 5 minutes. Once you do this hairstyle, you will look absolutely beautiful. So let's not talk more and let's see how to do this. So this party hairstyle, we need a combs, few rubber bands, one big clutcher, few bobby pins and couple of decoration item. So now we'll start with our combing. First, comb hair properly. Ensure there are no tangles. Comb it properly. And now our front head area, just make it two section like this, which I am showing you. Comb it properly and again take a portion of hair through your ears like this. Keep it aside those hair. Same do that with the other side. Take a portion of hair and keep it aside. Comb that hair. And now our back hair, comb that hair properly. We have to make a tight ponytail like this. And now we have to make a tight ponytail over here. Make sure it's tight so our bun can stay tight like this. Again comb that hair and now that hair, keep it front to your head and over there put a big clutcher like this. And now over here we have to again make a ponytail, so put a rubber band over here like this. Like this. And again comb that hair and spread it evenly like this. And now end of the hair, just again tie a little rubber band over here. And now we have to push that inside our hair and secure with that bobby pin like this. Make sure you secure it properly. Apply 3 or 4 bobby pin over here. And secure your hair like this. So secure that with bobby pin properly, and now we will comb our front head area hair like this and make it little loose like this, and then again secure with bobby pin over here. Back of your ear like this. Do the same thing other side. Comb that hair. Make it a little loose like this, and again secure it with bobby pin. Back of your ears area like this, and again secure now the rest of the hair like this. Just twist a little bit and secure it with bobby pin over here. Like this. And now we will do little bit decoration. For that, secure this with that bobby pin like this, and front head area we will put this decoration that's called mang tika, and again secure it with bobby pin so it stay properly. So now our finally hairstyle is done. You can see that it looks so beautiful. Now let's see 360-degree view. So when you will do that, you will visualize how it will look like. So now it's your turn to try this hairstyle and share this video with your friends and family. Please like and share this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.